In case if anybody doesn't understand what the word mock-up is a few hours ago, this looked like a car that would almost drive if you bolted some seats and a steering column and bolted the nose back on. But mock-up is just fitting everything, making sure you got clearances, making brackets, making cross members, making motor mounts, making sure everything's going to fit and work properly. So when somebody says that, yeah, it's just in the mock-up stage, this is what it means when you come out of mock-up and you're getting ready to actually assemble the car. Because now welds have to be ground, welds you couldn't get to have to be welded, things need to be cleaned, painted, prepped, and whatnot, like all up underneath. Everything has to be wire wheeled, everything has to be seam sealed and painted, primed and painted. Same thing with the frame. A lot of wire wheeling, stripping all the old paint and some rust off, getting rid of all random stuff like bolts that go to nowhere, mounts that ain't being used anymore still have to be cut off, and whatnot. And a lot of stuff has to be power washed, sandblasted, painted, and then after that, then you can start assembling, and then comes all the tedious stuff of brake lines, fuel lines, wiring, computers, dash clusters, all the wiring inside, interiors, and all that fun stuff. But like I said, this is just kind of give the people that don't know an idea what mock-up means. It just means it wasn't really assembled. Not finally, anyway. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. Bye.